hope it's not a car there.
I hope there's no one behind his truck. Yeah, where's he going?
Oh man, this guy's just making worse. Poor guy.
Now hard over. Now he's just gonna drag the trailer.
It's a Pepsi guy. Shouldn't be very experienced.
Oh, look at this. This guy doesn't know how to use a roundabout.
There's 2 cars.
No, there's more cars.
I'm filming.
Oh shit. That's awesome.
Oh, well, oh.
Oh yeah, the guy is.
The Lexus does not know how a roundabout works, and now he's trying to do a 3-point turn. Oh, this is immensely satisfying.
I mean, what is this guy doing? The truck driver, you can't just stop there.
What, that car still is...
Okay, you still
watch
out,
out.
Man.
There's a car going into that roundabout.
This guy's crazy.
Oh, there goes the black Hummer.
I don't know what this. Oh, he's going.
He's trapped. So he got out to walk around his truck.
Oh, the truck was trying to make it unbelievable.
Oh, what do you got?
Oh, this is great. Look at the Lexus.
Now all these... Oh, that guy.
Okay, finally.
There's still a good 15% of Florida has no idea what to do in a roundabout.